In this video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your mobile live stream on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to monetize your live stream on YouTube on your mobile, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to YouTube and set up your live stream. Once you have opened up the app, there will be an option for a plus sign in the middle. Once you click on that, you will have an option now to go live. Once you click on go live, you'll be on this page here. And what you need to do is go to the bottom where it says more options and click on that. Once you click on more options, you will now be able to scroll down a little bit, and then there will be an option there for advanced settings. Click on advanced settings, and then as you can see at the bottom of the page, there is an option now to enable monetization on your live stream. All you simply need to do is check this option there. Once you have enabled that option there, that will mean that your live stream is now monetized. So let's say you can go ahead and enable monetization on your YouTube live stream.